Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Nasir. I am from Muradabad, UP. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Kef sir who made me able to speak English with confidently in front of you, my beloved brothers and sisters. Today, I am going to talk about the importance of English language. Nowadays, why English language is more important. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, my beloved brothers and sisters, because English is a global language, it is spoken everywhere. That's why we must learn English language. English is a global language, it is spoken everywhere. That's why we must learn English language. Nowadays, English has become a very important language. If you know English language, you have a lot of opportunities to work anywhere. As you can work in a school, you can work any private company, any private sectors. If you know English language, you can teach English to the students. My beloved, if you know English language, how to speak English, you can work in a call center also. My beloved brothers and sisters, if you know English language, you can start your institute, your academy as well. I want to tell you about English language. My beloved brothers and sisters, English is a very easy language. It improves our personality, it improves our communication skills, it improves our confidence, it improves our information. Through English language, you can get all types of information because most of the books are written in English language. That's why we must learn English language. My beloved brothers and sisters, I know very well. I have one suggestion for Huffaz Ikram, Ulama Ikram. I have one suggestion for you, my beloved. I know very well about you. You can deliver a speech in Urdu language in the mosque, in the masjid. I know very well about you. But I would like to request you, I want to request you, my beloved brothers and sisters. Especially, I would like to request Huffaz and Ulama Ikram, please focus in English language, on English language. If you learn English language, you can become a scholar. You can become an Islamic scholar. You can deliver speech in English language easily and other countries. Like you can deliver speech Malaysia, Indonesia, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and as well as you can deliver speech European countries, and you can deliver information, Islamic information in English language for other countries, people. They don't know Hindi language and Urdu language. They know only English language. Most people know only English language. If you learn English language, you can deliver speech. You can message of Islam. You can deliver message of Islam in English language. That's why, my beloved. So I would like to request you, please learn English language. And if you know English language, you can do business, and with the help of English language, you can build your business, and you can do business, import export business. And my beloved brothers and sisters, I would like to request you, please learn English language. If you have any suggestion for me, so please give me your suggestion, your advice in the comment box. I will wait for your suggestion, for your advice. I want to learn so many things. And if you like this video, first of all, I would like to say you, I need your support. Please subscribe this channel, and I will wait for your suggestion. And from where are you watching this video? Let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for kind attention. You have been great audience of the day. Thank you.